Kum Shibanta ban Rakhe ya kasngi le burom ya teman kikro kabalatip kum ka wall elderly day Henen kasngi na kaliang jong ka health department Bhoi district kala Pynlong ya ka program ban le burom ya teman kisan Shantivan koloni Nongpo Bhoi district. Ha kene kasngi na kaliang jong ka health department lengba ki doktor kala ay ka jinghika ya kine ki rutemen syapang kumno ban sumar ban le kho yelade kanang ban yo ya ka met ka Koit ka Khiah ha ka jingim ka baman la kasngi jongki khamtam hakum kene ka por ban yada na ka jing sa priang jong ka klam covid-19. Ha kene kasngi laya shimbenta lang daw MLA kanong po constituency ba emerald bonds im kumukongsan ha ka ba na kaliang jong neu nong mi khamat ula ay ka jingyaro ya kinong yalam jong ka health department kiba kentup ya DMHO jong ka Bhoi district u Dr. M Mauri bat kum juru iki staff bat ki doktor ha ka ba kilala ban Pynlong ya ka ba kum kene ka program ban ay jing mentoy ha ka ba ide bat ka Koit ka Khiah na ka banta ki temen ki kro.
House nem Hajar Shipho da ka Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. But hakastir ka jangi nilayo padian ya ka jing sedang ka program dang mention nem hakaba nilayo ban train ya ki medical officers ya ki staff nurse ya ki asha hakabede but ka Koit ka Khiah jong ki recruitment ki jangi ti hakani ka ki aim jong ka national program for healthcare of the elderly ka baningkong kalong preventive and promotive care banyada bat ban hikai lagi nong teman ki jangi kumno bakin kumno bakin haka jing ki ban kasni ban light lagi jing pang ki jing shitom kata la kalong haka kumno bakin le ki exercise kumno kin bam ka di ka balance diet ka babiang kumno ru bakin manage ki stress ki jangi ki jing bo ki jing so long thai jong batai ki jing so shapting ki jangi but kumno ru kumno bakin kial nakaba bami ki jing bam ki bam pen hai ka met kum uduma kala bande ru dakaba yarap yaki ru kumno bakin ban shim yaki jing million ki babha ha bai ba Koit ka Khiah kumno ban site yaki ti shaban bam kumno bakin long ki ba le khoi but timpa ki health workers ki jongi ki la le lung shaki clear yeng jongi long yeng south dong jong ka district ka jongi but ka state hi barok away ban le te ye ki mi e ki pa ye ki jongi ban heselok bat ki ha ka bele ba ka Koit ka Khiah ban screen ye ki la ki don ka jingki ka bp ka jingdon ka shini but kani ka ya sha na ru ban taw snem but kumjo ru na lor kata kani ka program ka petru ki management ki illness tu mona ki don ki long term man ki jongi badan ki jingpang ki jistom ki la ban let ki PHC ki CHC ke district hospital ki don ki special clinic na ka banta ki long term man ka ka program but ru kum ha ka district hospital ka de bandon kata ka geriatric ward kata ka Jaka ka bakin dan betang ban bu betang yaki long term man ki jongi ti hadir kata kani ka program ka petru ba ka health manpower development bon ka banta kini ki long term man ti ki ai na ka por ka training nya ka banta ki doctor ka banta ki nurse na ka banta ki asha ba kumno ki la ban sumar bha ya ki recruitment ki jongi badru kan sadon kata ka course mo ka ba ki specialize ki doctor ka ba ki kata ka geriatric medicine mo ka deka specialized stream ba kila ban le puli ki doctor ki jongi ban pet tek ya ki recruitment ki jongi tiling ba ki ne ka long shisha ka jing mentoy ya ki not to make to man ki jongi ti lo kata ka medical rehabilitation and therapeutic intervention tiling ba ki kani ka program nadu ki si shaneng kin sadon kita ki workers ki belong ki banile penyerap ban physiotherapy bo ya ki badan ki jingpang hakamet ka jong ki le ki bayo stroke hadir ka jing stroke ka jong ki don kam ki exercise jong ki le ki or ki kum ta bot kin kan don ka unit nadu si shaneng ka ba yarap hakadika rehabilitative care mo ka ba
most of the important cities of India, especially Kolkata, where the missionary of charity has been set up to look after all those elderly people, all those needy people, all those people who have been left out and isolated by the society, all those poor children who are playing on the roadside of Kolkata on those days, beggars and so on. She is the one who are looking after and start this missionary of charity. In the beginning, there are so many difficulties. She has to face so many criticism in social life, criticism from different sections of society. But still, her determination, which has led that this charity stood like a rock till today. And we are here today to witness this beautiful program, which has been an initiative taken by Mother Teresa, and a long way till now. Here we are, Sister Shalin and all the sisters who are here. I would like to thank you for the dedication, for the service that you have rendered in this place and in other places also. May God bless you. Me in the way will play on the camp, but he rudiment, he will come with the Arab, with the Shambor, he's coming in Anglas, and he can do, like he waiting before, but he's not getting Arab, he can bone Kiliang, Nakaliang, the Sorkar, Nakaliang, the Ikat Balak.